Can gifts received during marriage be considered marital property? In recent discussions about family law, one question has captured attention. Can gifts received during marriage be considered marital property? This topic is particularly relevant as many couples navigate the complexities of property division. If you have received a gift during your marriage, you might be wondering how it could affect your assets in the event of a divorce. Generally, gifts given to one spouse during marriage are treated as separate property. This means they do not automatically become marital property. For instance, in Texas law, gifts or inheritances received during marriage belong to the spouse who received them. This classification holds true as long as the gifts are not mixed with marital assets. If a spouse receives a gift and keeps it in a separate account or titles it solely in their name, it remains their separate property. However, complications arise if the gift is commingled with marital property. For example, if the gift is deposited into a joint account or used to purchase a home that both spouses own, it may lose its separate status. In some legal systems, marital or community property includes assets acquired during the marriage. However, gifts specifically given to one spouse are often excluded from this classification unless they are treated as shared assets. Additionally, any increase in the value of separate property that results from joint efforts during the marriage might also be considered marital property. This means that if you received a gift and its value increased due to joint contributions, that increase could be subject to division. Maintaining proper documentation and financial separation is essential for keeping gifts classified as separate property. This includes keeping track of where the gift is stored and ensuring it is not used for joint expenses. As you can see, the classification of gifts received during marriage can vary based on how they are treated. Understanding your state's laws and maintaining clear boundaries can help protect your assets. If you are facing a divorce or have questions about property division, consulting with a family law attorney can provide clarity and guidance tailored to your situation.